Hello guys, so very welcome back. Applications of nanotechnology, we have already covered textiles, already covered food. We'll see what is the application of nanotechnology in construction sector. Now first, these are some of the construction materials, that is wood, glass, steel and concrete. So first of all, the wood. Now when wood is SiO2 layered on all the fronts, then that wood becomes heat and moisture immune. Second, glass. When glass is layered with a ZNO, then it filters out the UV. When glass is layered with titanium oxide, which is hydrophobic in nature, then the glass becomes self-cleaning in nature. Third, steel. A carbon nanotube mixture of steel has much more strength than the steel alone. Concrete. First is the concept of thirsty concrete. When nanotubes, nanotechnology engineered concrete is used, thirsty concrete, that is a concrete which allows the water to percolate, forms, which can be used in cities very prone to flood, areas where ground recharge is a problem. Also, when concrete is mixed with aluminum oxide Al2O3 nanoparticles, the concrete sets faster, has more strength, is more elastic, and it is self-healing in nature. When concrete is mixed with SiO2 nanoparticles, which is itself is hydrophobic in nature, then this new concrete is hydrophobic too. Now this can be used in making canal floor, which canal up to now was facing the problem of too much percolation, too much very less retention. When water retention increases, also this concrete can also be used to make the floor of tanks, ponds, etc. in areas where there is a scanty rainfall. Okay, so that's all for construction. Thank you.